Next file we can create dl.html. DL or example 8, example 7 you have made, example 8 you can create. In the same folder, HTML folder, example 8.html. Example 8.html. In example 8, this DL related will implement. You can make a note first. Under the DL, we have two sub element. DL have two child tag. One is called DT. It is called definition title. And one more is called DD. Definition details. DT and DT. DT definition title. What we will do of this DT? Like when you are creating the web page, inside the web page, you will display some content. Now, some content will be in such a way where you have to create the title separate and description separate. In that case, some content will be like title separate and description separate. So in that case, we need to have one tag that will help us to create the title and another tag that will help us to display the definition. So DT will help you to create the title. We can write here, it is used to create title of content, and next is called DD. It used to display details of contents. Details of contents. Details of contents. So title we can form through the DT, definition title, and description of the content we can display through the DD. Through the definition details you can say, or detailed description also you can say. Now you will create one file. Example, already we have made example 8. So under the example 8.html file, they will implement this. Font style also we can change everything. You have a font tag that you saw yesterday. Not yesterday, I think first class only. In font tag, you have font color, your font size, your font family. Okay, using font family, you can use different type of font family. Font style meaning is bold, or font style meaning is normal. No, not bold. Font style meaning is italic and normal. So font style meaning is italic. Font family means different font family. Font style means italic or normal. Sorry, for italic, you have a separate tag, I tag. You can use the I tag. The font style will change. Text will display in italic. But if you want to change the font family, then you have to use the font tag. Inside we have a family. And then there we can change Vardhana, Georgia, black, Arial black and all. It will change. Come to this file, example it.html. Font size you are talking. You are saying font style. Font size is there. So I'll increase little. This much should be okay. If I change the font size in my system, the people who are sitting here, for them changes will happen. But for online people, I think it will not change. It remains same font size. Okay, come to the next file. Example it.html. In example 8, you can follow the HTML. Follow the body tag also. Next, you can use here one H1 tag, DL, definition, list example, definition list example. Now you will follow one DL tag, close the DL tag. Under the DL tag, you can write the DT definition title. And under the definition title, you can write call where is Bangalore? One question. Next, after that, follow the DD. Definition details. One person replies saying like in Karnataka. One more person replied saying like in MP. One more person replies saying like Tamil Nadu. One more person replied saying like AP. So this becomes a multiple choice. Or maybe you can say DT is holding a question, and for that question, people have replied 4 answers. Okay, people have replied 4 answers. Now run this file and sequence what will be the actual structure of DT and DD. DT will start from the very beginning, and DD, definition details, will start after some space. DT will start from the very beginning of the screen, and dt will start after some space. Okay, ready? Check now. It should look like this. This is the question that's print from the beginning, and these all are the answer using the DD definition details. Using the DD. Something similar. Next, we can apply some color combination. The question should come big font size in different color, and answer should be normal text. You will be using here called font tag. Font tag we can use. Inside the DT, we can use the font and color equal to red and size equal to 1 to 7. Font size is in HTML 1 to 7. 1 is the very small, the smallest is the 1, and the largest is the 7. 1 to 7. So you can just add like this. Under the DT, your font tag will be available. Under the font tag, you will have the text. Now the text will be formatted using the font tag, and DT will apply their own functionality. Still, it will print from the beginning only, but font size will be big and the color will be different. Then it will ask what type of content we can display using this tag. Then when you go for the online test, one question will come, multiple choice answer will be there. Multiple answer will come for that. There also we can use this tag DT and DD. Using the DT, we can display the question, and using the DD, we can display the answer of that. Radio button will learn how to create. Next, after that, when suppose you have a website, inside the website, you want to publish some kind of question the people can upload. Suppose developer is facing the problem, they can post a question. Now for that question, multiple people will reply the answer. So how the answer should show? In that case also we can use the DT and DD. Many times we post the article, some kind of, you can say, theory content about a particular topic. So in that case also we can use the title and description. DT, using the DT we can display the headline of the article, and using the DD we can display the content of the article in multiple paragraphs, as well as we can collect the comment also from user. So those kind of web pages you can do this, or maybe one content you posted in the Facebook and many people have to comment on that, many people have to reply on that. This kind of question also we can use this meaningful tag. Okay, now come and look into the browser. What is the structure of it? Should look like this. Something like this. Question will be big font size and the answer will be normal font size. I have increased the zoom out. I have made the zoom out to the browser so that it's coming very big. Yours will be little small only. So this DL is end here. Now inside one DL, we can add multiple question and multiple answers. So we can go to the DD we have. After the DD, you can write some BR, add some BR, one BR, After this BR, you can, okay, better you can use one more BR and come down. So there will be some space between the first question answer and second question answer. 2 times BR we wrote, so that little more space will happen. Now come next, within the DL only, write the next DT. And under the DT, you can follow one more font tag itself. Color equal to your own wish, any color you can write, color name. Size 1 to 6, 1 to 7 you have, you can use any size. So 6 we have used on the top. Here also we'll try to use 6 only. And then under this, display a question. Okay. Inside this, we can write another something. Employment conditions in India. You know very well, big companies are removing the bulk people in the bulk, right? So this type of condition comes usually after 6 years, 7 years, 8 years, 10 years. Okay, but good knowledge people, the people have good knowledge, right? Honest people, good knowledge people will never be in the trouble. What I have seen, people who do less and so more, the people who do less and so more, those people come on the road. Okay, less work and more exposure. When the time will come, people will identify the originality. Definitely they'll come out in the industry. Good knowledge, honest people never have any problem. Okay, so DT we added and DT we wrote here. Now come down, write the next DD. 1% reply, okay. Right. One more person replied under the DD. Average. One more person replied in the DD saying like good. Right. One more person has replied very good. Something. So this become another set of question and their related answer. So this way we can use the DL tag and DT tag and DD tag. 3 sets will be together. 3 combination will be 3 tag combination. Definition title, definition details, as well as definition list. In one definition list, we can use multiple DT and DD. It should be in the sequence. After one DT, there should be relevant DD. And this DD is not like one line. It can be multiple line also. It can hold a proper description of 4-5 line. Or it can be a single line also. Both is fine. I have written this one as a TD. It should be DD. DD. Definition details. Okay, check now. Your page should look like this. 2 brain. Right, again, content displayed. So this is called DL and DT as well as DD. Hope it is working for all. Right, you can reply in chat. Okay, next after this, we can go for the next tag. We have table, we have hyperlink, we have table related. We can see first what are the tags we have under the table and what are their related property value, and then you can say okay. So hope you are writing. Your proper reply on time will help us to move ahead fast. You can look into the chat message also. Write it, okay? You should write the code. That only will help you better. We have seen the many institutes. I'm not saying they are bad or good, but we have seen the teaching methodology. 400 people will sit in one class. How much people? Not one, not two, not three, not 400 people. In that 400 people sitting arrangement, table system is not there. Only chair system is there. Okay. You can't carry your laptop. If you carry also, where you will keep? So people take the notebook. Right? Now suppose I am writing the code, I am running in my system. I know already, correct? If I write and run, it is not going to give much impact for you. You should write it. Okay. In my building, many people are there. They have spent 40,000, 45,000 rupees for the course somewhere in the market. And if you ask them, evening time, I discuss with them usually. I ask them, tell me, you have one HTML file, one CSS file. How you will link both together? How you will link HTML and CSS? Okay, no idea. Okay, tell me, we have one button. On button, when we click, we want to print inside the browser 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How you will do it? No idea, right? Then how you finish your course? Based on notebook. Do you have the laptop in home? No. Do you have the system in home? Desktop? No. Then where you finish the course entire? On the notebook. Now, those people have, after paying the 40,000, 45,000, 35,000 of rupees, they don't have any other option. They are in my building only. 4 people are there from Andhra. Okay. I told him before paying the money, you should decide no, what is happening. Right? Okay. Now I am teaching them free of cost in the evening. Because their guardian has pressurized. 6 months is over, where is the job? Okay. They are the tenant of my building. So they are now in the bad condition. 40,000, 35,000 after spending, nothing is in hand. Evening time I'm spending them 1 hour daily. Okay. At least learn and get chance and revise it. Okay. But the problem is they don't have system. Assets is required. Okay. Assets is required. Other field I don't know, but especially in software development, your practical knowledge is important. you speak in the English, that is the past tense, present tense, continuous tense, present continuous, anything is okay. You explain the people, everything I speak in the past only, that is okay. Everything I speak in the continuous itself, that is fine. Person should understand. And the code what you are going to write, your code should be able to understand by system. Yeah. So language will come automatically. English you can learn it. It's a language. You can keep talking, you can learn. But matter is of what, are you able to deliver any type of solution or not? Yeah. That's matter. But according to survey, if you ask, according to survey, out of 100 people, 70% people are happy in the writing the notebook. Out of 100 people, 70% people are happy in the writing the notebook. But they don't know the future. Okay, what will happen tomorrow? They have not seen, right? Because of that only they are happy to write in the notebook. 30% people they have seen the industry, or they are under the guidance of any maybe senior, or maybe their parents, or maybe they understand the meaning of the system or writing the code. So they will not be happy in the writing the notebook. They will be happy, no, I should write in the system. And this is the actual work. Okay, let's go next. So this is done. Which file? DL we have written, that look like this. Okay, DL we have written, that look like this. Now come to the your developer guide. You can write in this few lines where you can use it. So we can write it. It used to display. It used to display following type of contents. Following type of contents. Okay, what type of content? You can write one kind of QA, question and answer. Question and answer. Okay. Next, after that, you can display some kind of blog type of content where you can get the comments from user. You can use this one for the comments also, right? You can use this one for some type of survey also, public survey. Public survey. When you log in the Facebook, one question will come. What's your favorite something subject? 3-4 option will come, other will be there. You will select one, or you will click on other, it will ask you, okay, then tell me what's your favorite special. You will enter. So that way it collect in one day from the multi-billions of the user. It collect their, you can say, feedback. They'll come to know, okay, what is running in the public mind. Right? So those kind of content also we can display through this one. College DL and DT. Now, right after this, we have next we call how to link the pages. How to link the pages in. Okay. How to link the pages in HTML. You can write here a property called a tag called a tag. It is also called an anchor tag, a tag, and it has a property href. In href, you will write the next file name, next file / path. Next, you will write called title, 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 something. Next, you will write called target. I'll guide you. What is this all? Then you will write here text to click. Some text where the user will click. Okay, text to click. For example, if I write here call, for example, if I write here call a href login.html. Okay. And we write here call title equal to, you can say info campus login. Next, we'll write call target equal to underscore new. Next, we'll write the text inside. Go to login and close the A tag. Close the A tag. Now in this, total 3 properties are used, and these 3 properties are meaningful, complete meaningful. E tag you can write here. It is the tag name. It is name of tag. Okay. href, what is that? It is property name. It is property used to set path for next page. It is a property used to set the path for next page. Like when you click on the hyperlink, where it should go, that file name, path name you are going to set using href. Title is for what purpose? It is for digital marketing. It is for digital marketing. Digital marketing. Now suppose, for example, we created a page and we uploaded the page into our server. In that page, there will be hyperlink. Under the hyperlink, suppose it's written called info campus login. And it is something related to login page here there. Page gone to the server. After 10-15 days, Google will index this page. Google will understand the content of this page. People will come in Google, they will search info campus login page. So how the Google will find this page? Google need to have some idea based on what input the Google will find this page in the Google search. That's called this one. Call it a title property. Now once the Google will index this page, then title property, whichever the text we have written, it will become a keyword. Now when the people will come and search in Google info campus login, now Google will start matching into all the web pages plus info campus web pages in the Google search where this text belongs to. Now Google will come to know, oh, there is one page inside that is written called info campus login as a title. Immediately that page will come in Google search, people will click and people will go inside. Okay. So I wrote here simple line. It is for digital marketing, Google search. Okay, next property called target. Target property you have used already. When on internet, click on any website, sometime when you click on the link, it open the new tab. Complete new tab will open in the same browser. Sometime if you click on a hyperlink, it's open a complete new window itself, it will get open. Sometime you will see pop-up window will open. In the Facebook, when you click on some photo, pop-up window open. Page remains same, in that only one more pop-up window will open. Right? So that happened through the target property. What it do? It used to set location. It used to set the location for next file. Next file. You can say user is going to click somewhere. After clicking on that, next file will open. It will redirect to the next page. But question is, next page will open, but where it will open? The target property will decide, and it used to set location for next file. It has 6 locations, 6 type of location. 6 type of location. That is called type of target. type of target is of 7 types. Okay, we will make a note. Target, type of target, type of target. Okay, it is of 7 type, but out of 7, 6 are in use. People use 6 types. We will make a note, but before that, we'll create 2 files and we'll understand how this hyperlink is happening, linking, how we can make from one file to other file. Then we'll come to the target property. Naukri.com, if you go, Naukri.com, if you go, search any job and click on the job links, you will find every time it's open the new tab. Every time it's open the new tab. Remember, you can try today. Okay, you will go to the Naukri and search any type of job. Lot of job list will come. In that, click on any job. When you click on the job, it open a new tab. Click on the job, it open a new tab. Okay, go to your Facebook. Click on any link. Like suppose you click on your friend name, it will not open a new tab. In the same tab, your friend details will come. Okay, go to your Gmail, click on any link in the left, right, anywhere. It not open the new tab. Okay, click in the left side, content will appear in the right side. Click on the left, content will appear in the right. Where? In the Gmail. So those all are the game of this property. That's called as a target. In HTML, we have called target, and in the CSS, in JavaScript, we use the ID for that, for asynchronous call. In Angular React, we use the routing for that, for asynchronous call. Okay, so this will be multiple type. Now you will create 2 files to understand the hyperlink. Okay, create one file, give file name called product dot, or not product, give the file name called link1, link1.html, and one more file called link2.html. Link1.html and link2.html. Create these 2 files in current folder. Make sure both should be in one location. Should not be different folder. Link1.html.
ಏನವ ಈರುಳ್ಳಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಮಳೆಗೆ ಬಂದಾಗ ತರ್ಬೇಕತ್ಲ ಬೇರೆ ಅಲ್ಲ ವಾಸ್ಕೆ ಮುಳ್ಳುಳ್ಳೆ.
Okay, 2 files what you created, link1.html and one more file, link2.html. link2.html. Okay, you will come to the link1 file. Link1 file, follow something, body tag. Next, write a property here called bg color. This property belong to HTML. Your complete body will change, complete screen background will change to particular color. Suppose we are writing as a orange color. So background of current page will change to orange. Use here the tag called h1. This is from first page. This is from first page. Come down and use the p tag. Inside the p tag, write something. ABCD, ABCD. Three line we can keep. or 4 line you can keep, and after the second line you can write the BR. Line break will happen. After this p tag, you can use a tag called a href equal to next file name, that is called link2 link2.html, and I will write here go to next. Okay, go to next. Title we have not added in this. Target also we have not added. It gives separate example for title and target. Now run this file. You will get a link called go to next. Once we click on go to next, it will redirect to the second file. Second file should be in current folder, because you have not given the complete path. Just you are giving the path for current folder itself, saying like where the link 1 is exist at the same location, look for the link 2. If it is available in different folder, we have to give the complete address, folder name, then file name. But now your file is within the folder, so you will give directly file name, it will work. We can complete second file, then we can run it both together. Okay, we completed this file. Come to the second file. In the second file also, okay, write first. Link to file, start from HTML again. Use body tag. You can write here some different BG color. BG color is the single word. You can use some sky blue. Next, after that, write inside this H1 something. This is from second page. This is from second page. Right below, p tag again. P tag. BR I will write here. Next, you write one more line. Okay. HTML has a tag called details and summary that work like a collapse and expand. You can write here details tag. Read more option will be there. When you click, it will get expand. Again, if you click, it will become collapse. details. Under the details tag, you write a tag called summary. Summary. Under the summary, we can write called read more. Read more. So read more will give you just only read more text. Below whatever you will write, it will not display by default. Suppose now I'll write a paragraph tag. Under the paragraph tag, we can write something. Again, ABCD, ABCD. We can use one BR tag. Text will be within the limited area. I'll use one more BR tag. Come down. We'll use some more thing. So till first paragraph, first H1 and paragraph will be by default visible. After that, you will have a text called read more. Once you click on read more, second paragraph will be visible with the 3 lines. Again, if you click on read more, it will be just like a collapse and expand. Open and close, hide and so you can say. Write it and then try once. How it is. Details and summary. Read more, read less. Type of option. Same feature in jQuery we have called hide and show. There is a function called hide and show. There is a function called fade in, fade out. There is a function called slide up, slide down. Those are in the jQuery. Using JavaScript also we can do. And using the HTML, default tag you have without any writing of JavaScript or jQuery code, the hide show will happen. Something like this. Let me guide you. Then you can try. Suppose this is my page, second page. Read more, we click, open, close, something like this. Collapse expand. After this details tag, we can write again ahref equal to go back. Here you can write link 1.html. From link 2, you are now going back to the link 1. Okay, write it. Check once. Running for how many people? They should say yes, no. Any file you can run, either first one or second one, link 1 or link 2, anyone you can run, and then click on the link, go next, go back. The link should work, hyperlink should work, and along with that, the detailed summary you have written, collapse expand, that will also work.
So what purpose detail and summary text?
To make like this. See here. Read more is coming.
Yes.
Read more where we have added inside the details. Summary will display by default, and this description will be hidden. Here, that is hidden. When we click on this, read more, second paragraph is showing. Again, if you click here, it will hide. Correct? Suppose you are displaying the content somewhere in the web page, and you have like You need to manage it, contents. You can display 4 line, 5 line, and after that read more. When the person is interested to read more, he will click, he will see the content there only. Okay, in case person don't want to read, okay, read the headline and go ahead. Many places you will find read more will be hyperlink. When you click on that, it will go to the another page. Okay, so here instead of sending to the another page, content is within the same page only, it's a hidden. Once you click, it will be visible. Okay? That is called read more and read less with the help of tag called details and summary. Now hyperlink, go back, we'll come to the previous file. And again go next, we'll go to the next file, right? So on internet, whichever the website you have used till date, whether Flipkart, Amazon, your Facebook, your Twitter, wherever you click, and after clicking it's go to the new page or other page, new page open, maybe new tab, blank tab, or in the same tab, everywhere people use this tab only. This tab, it. Sometime, like suppose instead of hyperlink, this will be as a button. Instead of hyperlink, this will be a button. Once you click on the button, then it will go to the next page. How that happen? Button will be there. In button, on click, it will call the JavaScript. In button, on click, it will call a JavaScript function. And inside the JavaScript again, it will not be written called href, but using JavaScript, we implement the href. Okay, there also href will work, but with the help of JavaScript. Syntax will be little different. Okay, but href keyword will property will come there also using JavaScript as well. So any website on internet, you open any website, whichever come in front of you. I will open our one portal. Right. So when I go to this website, first, right, when I go here, click on any links, click on any links, click on any link, any link, any link. Pages are changing, pages are coming, these pages are opening, right? Something is happening here. These all are based on what? href. Language can be any language. Every language have href property. People use that. Okay. Hmm. Proof button. Proof button, if I write also, what is the meaning for you? In online. This one. This page. This page. Okay, where I should go? Hmm. This one. Ah, I clicked. See, it will verify, then it will go to the next page. This one. Yes. It will go to the next page. This page is not linked. In that other pages are not added, so it is not going to the next page. This page may be hyperlinked. Then okay, it is also in the same page. This should be hyperlinked. This is also not hyperlinked. We need to go back somewhere here. So from here, other pages are linked. We can click here. Maybe this page will be hyperlinked. See, that page is not exist. It will work. So when I click, it comes here. Open other page. Tell me any other website. Go to our website only. Click on the links. Any link. This all are hyperlink itself. These all are hyperlink. This is not hyperlink. This on click of this function will come from where? JavaScript. This is also button. When I click here, see something happen. This is also button only. When you click here, something will happen. This is button. In that JavaScript is integrated. This is not redirecting to other page. Yes, when we fill the form and click something, let me write here something, where here also that will be done. If I write here something, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and see, This is different page. When I click here, it will go to the different page. This become a different page. So this is the different page. It's a different page, no? Now I enter the details here. I will click on button. I click on button, right? This is not hyperlink, it's a button only, no? I click on this button, then you can see this page is saying called UI development training in Marathali. When I click on this, see something happen, it's went to the other page. That happened through what? JavaScript only. When you click request gone to JavaScript, JavaScript send a request to backend, and after that again JavaScript redirected to where? Other page. Okay. Okay. Now come to the where developer guide again. In developer guide, write for this. Which one? How many type of target we have? So we can write here one call. Now, what was your doubt? You tell me. Your doubt is not still clear for me. What you wanted to know?
Actually, broker website.
Then
E
E-tab.
is there. But showing example button. That is us.
No, that link was not hyperlink. It is just only text. In that click of that, it is not hyperlink. It is not going to other page. Okay, see here. I will open again.
That login is there. That login is button.
This page, this one was there, no? Yeah. Login, right? This one. This is button. It is not hyperlink. You want to see? Look at here. Inspect. Can you see that button? Button is open. Button is closed. Right? Inside the button, text is written called login. Login. There is the icon class is here. You can see there is an arrow mark. Arrow mark is written. Below you can see the hyperlink. Forget password. Can you see the text? Here also forget password is there. In forget password, href equal to what is written? #. Right? # represent the parent page only. It has, it's representing which same parent page itself. If it is some URL is added here, it will go to the other page. But URL is not added here. Let me add a URL. Suppose I take this URL and I will go here and I will modify this line. Edit as HTML. Now I went here. I will add here. Okay. Now see, when I click here, see this file is modified. Okay. This file is not modified in the server. This code is modified in my browser. Now after that, I have given here path here. You can see now. Let me come down. When I click on this link, it will go to other page. I clicked. Okay. So hyperlink is generated, but since this page has not allowed, it is not there. We'll refresh the page, then all it will allow. And once we refresh the page, this what modification we have done, it will go. So, see. Now hyperlink happened, but since page need to reload, then only this hyperlink will work. And once we reload, this text will go. What I have added. Right, so you saw here, what was that? It was not a hyperlink, it was a button only. Okay, come to the button. Next, right inside, type of target, how many we have? 6 types. You can write here, one is called target equal to underscore self. Target equal to underscore self. What is that underscore self? It open next page in same tab. It open the next page in the same tab. And even it is a default target. It is default target. It is default target. If you are not writing anything, target will be default as a underscore self. What is the meaning of underscore self? It open next page in the same tab. I'll show you example. Then I'll write the next. it open the next page in the same tab. Now suppose I will go to the website. I'll go to the website, any website, open Flipkart. So what we wrote like it opened the next page in the same tab. It's by default target. Now suppose so many products are there, so many hyperlinks are there, right? Now current URL is flipkart.com. When I go to the fashion and click on somewhere, okay, we click on, or maybe go to the electronics and click on somewhere, Bluetooth speaker. Now see, when I click on Bluetooth, it's saying page not found, but the page URL got changed, page got changed completely. Let me go to somewhere else, 24/7 support. Here, you can see next page open in the same tab. Let me go somewhere else. Next page open in the same tab. Let me go here again. Next page open in the same tab. So how many tabs is open till now? Go here. See, come to the main page and again go to the somewhere called this one. You can see tab is only one, but the content got changed. Here when I click, tab is same, content got changed. Here tab is same, content got changed. So what is that? This is also hyperlink only. This is also hyperlink. When we are clicking here, it's going to the next page. But where the next page appear? Next page appear within the same tab. So those will be called as a target equal to underscore self. Target equal to underscore self. Now let's write another one. Target equal to underscore new. Okay, target equal to underscore new. What it will do? It open next page in new tab. Okay, when you click on that hyperlink, it will open the next page in the new tab. But what will happen is only at first click. Only at first click. Only at first click. Like suppose you click 10 times, it will not open the 10 tabs. Okay, if you click 10 times, it will not open the 10 tabs. When you click first time, then only it will open the new tab. When you click first time, then only it will open the new tab. If you click 5 times, it will not open the five times new tab. Only at first click it open the new tab. So it open the next page in the new tab, but only at first click. Let me see some running example from internet. Even we will create our own. Okay, let me go here. This page should have one. Okay, now when I'm here, I click on login. New tab is open. Will not do anything in this file. I'll come to the first page again. Again, I'll click on the same link. Call it a login. You can see it's redirected to where? Second page. Again, I'll go to the first tab and I click on the login, redirected to second tab. Again, I'll go to the first page and click on login, redirected to second page. So click total 3 times. Tab open when? Only first time. Okay. That is this one. Target equal to underscore new. Right, the next one. Target equal to underscore blank. What it do? It open next page in new tab. Okay, but when but every click, whenever we click, it opens a new tab. Whenever you click, it opens a new tab. That is called target equal to blank. Target equal to blank. Write it. I'll show you some example from internet. Even we will create our own. Target equal to blank. It open next page in the new tab. Every click. It open the next page in the new tab. Every click. Now let me go here and open some other website. Example Naukri. In Naukri, search a software developer, experience 1 year, location Bangalore. Search. Many thousand records came here. It's saying 2400 something. Out of that, all the records, everywhere short information is displaying. When we click on any of the job details, it will go to the next page and it will display the details. When I click on the first one, new tab is opened. Now we cannot say it is blank or new. Again, we'll go to the second job. Click here. It opened the second tab. 2 times we click and 2 tab is open. We'll come to the first link again where we have search. We'll click on some other job. You can see how many tabs is open. 3 tab. We click total 3 times. So what you can say? What the target should be here? New, blank or underscore self? What should be the target here? In this page, what should be the target? And the hyperlink is here. We click 3 times and 3 tab is open.
So it should be of same link if it's open for different new tabs. Using the same links, it will be using target as blank.
Target as a blank. That's only I'm asking. 3 times we click on 3 places. Now it is opening the new tab for each click, right? So you have written here the theory for what purpose? When you click somewhere, it opens the next page in the new tab. When? Every time. Whenever you click, it open a new tab. Whenever you click, open a new tab. 3 times we have clicked, 3 tab is open. That represent it is target equal to blank. Okay. It is target equal.
The links of same link.
Same link or different link, no matter. Okay. Let me see on that. That was a right question only. This is the one, this is the one, this is the one, right? Let me click on the first one. When I click on first one, it opens the new tab. I will go here, I'll click again on the same link. See? So we click on the same link how many times? 2 times. 2 times new tab open. Go here, click again. Right? Now let's look into their code, what they have written. See here, you found a tab. See here, target equal to blank. So every click, it's open a new tab. Every click open a new tab. Click on the same 5 times, it open a new tab, open a new tab. Okay. Okay, so this 3-line hope is clear for you. We can create example for that. Now write 3 more is there. So these 3 we can understand easily through the only HTML. We'll create 2 HTML file, and in that 2 HTML file we'll understand the first 2. Now remaining what we have, for that we have to follow some other example. For example, we have one target equal to nothing predefined. We can make our own. We can write here user defined. It can be anything. It can be anything. Now suppose our requirement will say, don't open a new tab, don't open a blank tab, don't open a self, do something else. When the user click in the left side, display the content in the right side. Okay, when the user click in the left side, in the same page, display in the right side. Or maybe when the user click on the top, don't go to the new page, in the same page, display the content in the middle. Or when the user click in the right side, display the content in the middle. Don't go to the new page and don't open the new tab at all. So that time this will come in the picture. We can create our own target also. We'll divide the page into multiple blocks, and after dividing into multiple blocks, for a particular block will give a certain name, and whenever we click, we'll say go to here, go to here, go to here. So what will happen? Your hyperlink will work, target will also work, but the value what you are writing, it will be your own. It will be the name of your own location. In one page, you have made one block, and that block name is XYZ. When you write the target, you write target equal to XYZ. Browser will not open the new tab. It will look in current page where is the XYZ. In current page, if XYZ area found, in that area only your page will appear. Gmail, when you click in the left side, see today, once you log in Gmail, you can compare, go to the Gmail, log in, and after that, click in the left side in your inbox, your trash, compose, multiple options are there. Click in the left side, your content will appear where? In the right side. I'm not saying that is based on HTML only. Multiple technologies are there, but how that work? You click in the left, content appear in the right. Entire page will not reload. You can check it today. Okay, that also work like a user-defined target. There is a certain area where user interaction will happen. There is a certain area where content appearance will happen. Okay, right. Developer, or we can write, we can create our own. Target. We can create our, we can create own target. Okay, coming down. Next, using JavaScript. We have a property called target equal to child, underscore child, not only child, underscore child. Okay. Usually when you see on internet, when you click maybe a link, once you click, it will not open a new tab, it will not open even a blank tab, it will open a complete window itself, and like a pop-up window. Your current page will remain same, and in current page only one more page will get open, and that will come somewhere in the middle. Let me show you. Similar example, not exact same. What happen is when I go to the, not in this website, okay, in this only I'll go here. See, I'll click on this. You can see pop-up is open. It is not the target equal to blank or new or self and even. It is the different feature. It's a feature of Bootstrap. It's called model. But the target equal to child underscore child, what we are going to write, a new page will appear, new page will come, new window will also open, but that window will be the part of your current window. It will be just like in a pop-up. Your current window remains same. And on the top of the current window, one more window will open. That's called a target equal to underscore child. Okay. In current window, don't do anything. For the next page, open a other window, pop-up window, and that should be the child window of current window. Next. So we can write it open a pop-up window. It open a POP window on top of current window. On top of current window. Okay, on the top of the current window. In the first one only you can write, not first one where you have written the user defined. Just below to that you can write one more. Target equal to top. Target equal to underscore top, not only top, underscore top. Okay. These two you have written, you will be implementing using the feature called frame set. Frame set. These two you are going to use using the frame set. Frame set. Last you are going to use using JavaScript. Using JavaScript. This is using two frame set. This is using JavaScript, and these three using only HTML. Here what will happen? Here what will happen in the target equal to top? It will redirect to parent page, or you can write called master page. It will redirect to master page. So we'll create the frame set example. In that too you will understand. Without writing on internet also you will not have solid example. So we'll create example of frame set. There we'll see these two. Once we come in JavaScript, then we'll write the target equal to child. And once now we are under the HTML, we will implement the first three. That is underscore in HTML. Underscore self, underscore blank, underscore new. These three, first three using the HTML, second two using the frame set, last one using the JavaScript. You have system in home, laptop. Yes, next class need to come with the laptop, else it will look odd. Odd for, not for you, for other people. Okay, you need to maintain the environment. Okay, so hope we written. We will create example for this, not today, tomorrow, where we will understand the three type of target. After understanding this, we will not go for the frame set immediately. We will go for the table. In HTML table we have, it has nearly 15-16 properties, as well as two type of table we can create according to HTML4. What will be the structure? According to HTML5, what will be the structure? Both will go. Based on table, we'll create many examples. Then after finishing the table part, I'll give you the assignment. Okay, means after finishing the tomorrow class, I'll give you the assignment. You can start doing that. Okay, by then you will be comfortable. After attending tomorrow class, you will be able to do something as small pages. Okay. Okay, so see you tomorrow. Video link will be there only. I have sent you yesterday in your group. You can follow that. I think that counselor will update you today for registration purpose, as well as you need to talk to them and then update them. Else unknown people they'll remove from the group today. Some number is there who has replied you. What is that? 888. 7 o'clock batch. Very. I think 3 when we started. We started on some days, no? Fourth class was today. Fourth or fifth. Fifth, sixth. Okay. Okay, anyhow, that is the responsibility of someone else. We started on somewhere 16th. Okay. So 16th was which day? 16th here, 1, 2. Here, Monday, Tuesday, fourth one. Okay. Fourth class was. Okay. Fourth or fifth class. Okay, see you tomorrow. We can log out.